Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So it's MOSHEH TV here again. So we are back again to Awka. This time around we're gonna be touring this Inec road. The Inec road has a direct link to the Alex Ekweme road, the one that is leading to the new constructed government house, and that particular road was recently, or should I say, under construction, and some part of it was recently asphalted too. So this Inec road that has a direct link to it is also has been asphalted. So, and today we want to go and visit and see everything for ourselves and see the level of work that is currently going on there. So guys, on the day we visited, or should I say today that we visited this location, we noticed that asphalting has already been completed. Then remaining that Judiciary road side, you know, the Judiciary road side is currently being under asphalting when we visited, but all this angle heading down to that roundabout that you know, that will lead you to the Roundabout side and elsewhere has been asphalted. What is currently going on there is that they are trying to put up a walkway, because I think the road comes with walkways on the both sides of it. So currently we are heading down to the Judiciary road, which you're gonna be seeing everything for yourself. So we're not gonna be talking much on this video. We've covered a lot so that you can see everything for yourself and judge for yourself. So there's nothing much to talk here. It's a very short road. It's a very short road, though we make it you know, a very bit longer so you can see everything that's going on here. So the road has drainage system already, an old drainage system. So there's no drainage system they constructed new. So drainage system is there already, like you can see in my video. And the old walkways is also there, but they're gonna revive it or reconstruct it. And what you are currently watching right now is the road that leads to the Judiciary. You know, they are currently asphalting this particular one. When we visited, like you can see their machines, they are currently working on it. So leaving this angle, we're gonna be heading down to that roundabout, the one that has link to the Roundabout road and the rest. So they are currently working on this particular axis when we visited. So from this angle that I am now, it has walkway, but the walkway is old, and some part of it has been covered with sand and bushes. So I think they will be reconstructing a new one there, and the other side of it has no walkway at all before. So they're gonna be putting a new one, which they have already started. So the walkway has already started from that down from that roundabout side, has already started from there coming up, and the other places are being cleared. So very soon the walkways will get to this particular axis to join with others. So you can see everything for yourself, and it's very necessary that they did you know, they do asphalt this area, you know, to you know, for the place to also shine together with the newly asphalted road that is linking to the new government house. So it's very good one. You can see, if you visit there, you notice that it's now shining together with that particular road. So it's a welcome development, and I really enjoy everything that's currently going on with this and other construction that's going on in Awka. Awka is gradually coming back, and having the fix of that capital city is being called. So you can see everything for yourself and see that so this side that I am now is being cleared to, you know, pave way for the walkway that is coming up. So guys, continue watching the video until I have something else to talk about or give you. So thank you. So here is the walkway, the one that, you know, they are constructing newly, and over here they have cleared all these places and put you know, demarcation to, you know, start casting the walkways. So if you leave that axis heading down a little bit, you will see where the place where they have already constructed you know, walkways. So all these places are currently you know, being put in order for them to pour in concrete and the rest of them. So if I head down a little bit, you will start seeing where they have already a kind of casted or already constructed. So let's continue watching the video. But from this angle, you can see that it's still having bushes, but I think there's little walkway there which I can see some of them, but it has covered with bushes and sand. So I believe, or maybe hoping, that they will reconstruct those ones, for the both sides to have walkways. So this is the one they have already constructed. They have already constructed this one, then down to that roundabout, which you will see in a few minutes. Let's continue. So this is the road that will lead you to Roban store and then down to Awka Express. Then from this angle is the one that will be leading you to other places in Awka and can as well lead you to Regina axis, towards that club road side. And I don't know where that untied road will be leading you to. And this angle, you will start heading back to the Inec road, which we are currently on. So this is the old walkways, which I'm telling you, this one is very, very close to that roundabout. This is the old walkways. It's very, very close to that roundabout. If you're leaving this axis heading up small, you will see where bushes has already covered all of them and the sand has covered them. So that is when I noticed that it was previously have walkways, but not maintained until bushes and sand covered all of them. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and don't forget to share. Let's hear your own comments or your own contribution concerning the ongoing construction or asphalting of this road. What do you think? Do you think it's necessary? Do you think it's not necessary? What suggestion do you have to make concerning the road? Let's hear from you, please. I keep on saying it, no insult, no insult. If you insult, I will remove your comments. Please, let's be guided. Thank you and have a wonderful day, and till we meet again for another update.